Welcome to IndiOdyssey. We offer 4 series on this channel based on our life in India. View India through the eyes of 2 Americans living in India. The adventures to amazing places, hanging out with the locals, getting to know the people and places in India. You'll also meet the ladies who work at IndiOdyssey and bring all the cool stuff from India with love to you. Get tips, techniques, and tidbits from a yogi living the life. Inside ideas and suggestions to help you on your spiritual journey, inspired by yoga, Ayurveda, and modern-day science. Follow along as we bring you the best recipes using amazing herbs and spices from India based on Ayurvedic principles to promote balance and harmony in your mind, body, and spirit. Complete menus with shopping lists. Be the first to know when we upload by clicking that subscribe button. Thanks, blessings, and namaste.